The question I'm going to address today is whether human society, can exist without hierarchies. If we have to look at a sociological understanding of the world, there is often an ontological debate between the existence of structures and the existence of human will or agency. So we have to talk about structures. We basically understand the world as composed of multiple structures which determine action. So it's a very deterministic view in which very little agency or very little will is given to human beings. If we have to talk about, say, human will, then it would imply that human agency is what drives action. So if I want to do something, I'm doing it because I want to do it, not because something else is determining what I'm doing. But the binary is not that simple, because structures and human agency interact considerably. So if I'm saying that human agency is making me do something, it can also mean that the structure I'm existing is contributing to that, and vice versa. If we have to talk about a famous theory of structures, we could talk about Marx's theory of base and superstructure, wherein the base is composed of relations and means of production, and the superstructure is composed of ideology, culture, religion, and so on. Now the question here is whether hierarchies can exist or not. In order to know more about where I intend to go with this question, log on to read my article